Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea extract. First, gather your supplies, your favorite loose leaf tea, a clean saucepan, and distilled water. You'll also need a fine mesh strainer and a heat-safe container for the finished product. This simple method ensures a potent and flavorful extract, perfect for various uses. Let's get brewing. Now, let's brew a super concentrated tea. Use a ratio of about 10 grams of tea for every 100 milliliters of distilled water. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, then add your tea. Let it steep for a good 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors and compounds to fully infuse. This long steep is key for a strong extract. After steeping, carefully strain the tea concentrate through your fine mesh strainer into a clean saucepan. Make sure to press the tea leaves gently to get every last drop of that precious liquid. Now, place the strained liquid back on the stove over low heat. We're going to simmer it down, reducing its volume by about 1/2 to intensify the flavor. Once your tea extract has reduced, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely to room temperature. This step is important before storing. Then, carefully pour the cooled extract into your clean, heat-safe container. For best results and to maintain freshness, store your homemade tea extract in the refrigerator. It should last for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.